How to turn on or turn off TalkBack single tap to activate on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on TalkBack. After click on TalkBack, click on Settings. Now in TalkBack Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced Settings. After click on Advanced Settings, scroll down and click on, you will see single tap to activate is here. If you want to turn on single tap to activate, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see single tap to activate is turned on. If you want to turn off single tap to activate, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see single tap to activate is turned off. You will turn on or turn off single tap to activate from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off TalkBack to single tap to activate on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.